Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Okay, so if you are looking to level up your Forex game and capture consistent moves in the market, then you are in the right place. All right, so in this particular video, we are going to be diving into one of the most effective strategies in Forex trading. In as much as this strategy is effective, please note that this strategy does not guarantee profits. All right, and we are talking about none other than the 500 pips a week Forex system. Okay, that is the strategy we are talking about in this video. Okay, 500 pips a week Forex system. Now, this is a powerful system that has helped many traders maximize their trading potential and achieve good results. Please note that past performance does not guarantee future results. Okay, before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you are new here, make sure to subscribe. You won't want to miss the incredible strategies, tips, and insights we share regularly to help you become a more successful Forex trader. All right, let us get into it. Now, first things first, let us break down what exactly the 500 pips a week Forex system is. Now, essentially, it is a strategy designed for traders who want to aim for consistent gains by capturing a specific number of pips each week, 500 pips to be exact. Now, if you are new to Forex trading, pips are the smallest price movements that a currency pair can make based on market convention. Now, in this system, the goal is to identify high probability setups where you can capture large price movements over the course of a week, typically aiming for 500 pips in total. Now, you might be wondering, how is that even possible? Well, it's all about precision, timing, and having a clear set of rules to follow. Now, let us look at some key principles behind the system. All right, now the 500 pips a week system is built on a few core principles that make it both reliable and repeatable. Let us go over them one by one. First of all, market structure and trend analysis, very important, right? It is very important to note that market structure plays a very key role in this system. Okay, the first thing you need to understand when using this system is market structure. To catch 500 pips, you have to trade in the direction of the larger market trend. All right, this means identifying whether the market is trending up, down, or moving sideways. For example, here we can see that within this point and this point, the market was in a clear uptrend. We had a bullish structure. A bullish structure is identified by higher highs and higher lows. And we had a clear bullish structure here. Then we had a break of structure and a retest. But after we had that retest, the price did not exactly continue going down. So as a trader who is trading in the direction of the trend, once you have a break of structure, ideally, you should watch out for what happens next. You don't have to be in a rush. When we had a bullish trend, you'll be looking for buy opportunities. But then when we had a breakout, you just watch out for what happens next. If the price begins to form a bearish structure, then you enter sell trades. But if the price continues upward, then you enter buy trades. Once more, we can see that we had a horizontal resistance around here. Let's watch out. Let's watch out for this. We had a bullish structure. We had a breakout. We had a retest. And then we had somewhat of a brief ascending triangle around here. Can we see? We had an ascending triangle around here. And then finally, we had a bullish breakout. Now, this was a bullish structure. We had a bearish breakout. We had a retest. And then we had a new bullish structure, bullish pattern forming. Just after this bullish structure, we had another bullish pattern forming. So if you were in a haste to enter a sell, you would have gotten stopped out. So if you want to capture 500 pips a week, you have to pay close attention to market structure. Right? We're talking about market structure. Pay attention to the bullish structure or the bearish structure that the market presents. Pay attention to chart patterns. So just for emphasis, we can see that after the retest happened, we had a bullish chart pattern forming, ascending triangle, and then we had a breakout. After the breakout, we had a little bit of a retest. This would have been a great opportunity to enter another buy trade. So we would have entered a buy trade here and would have exited as price got to this resistance. Remember that when a support has been broken, it turns into a resistance. So this trend line became a resistance. So we would have exited our new buy trade around here. Now note that this 500 pips a week strategy does not mean that one trade will give you 500 pips. That is not what it means. It means that you can actually have multiple trades. It doesn't matter whether you are a scalper or a day trader or a swing trader. You can be able to use a variety of techniques to achieve that 500 pips in 1 week. And this system prioritizes market structure. All right, it prioritizes market structure. Now you need to understand the trend on multiple time frames. Okay, for example, let us say you are trading on the 4 hours chart. This is the 4 hours chart, right? Let us say you are trading on the 4 hours chart. You want to make sure that the daily chart, which is the higher time frame, right, is showing a similar trend, so you are aligning yourself with a bigger picture. Now let us go to the daily chart. Can we see during that period of this bullish move, we can see that the daily chart was also supporting that bullish structure, and we can see that this was also a bearish structure that we saw on the 4-hour chart as well. Let us go to the 4-hour chart. We'll see that we had a bearish structure here. So when we had this bearish structure begin to form, ideally we should have been looking out for just sell opportunities, but that was after this bullish move had already expired, right? Okay, now when you trade with the trend, you increase your chances of hitting your 500 pip target each week. Okay, now secondly, this Forex system prioritizes high probability setups. The next key principle is finding high probability setups. What do I mean by this? These setups are market conditions where the odds of a successful trade are stacked in your favor. Now, you should be looking for clear entry signals like price bouncing off key support or resistance levels when technical indicators align perfectly. So after you have identified market structure, make sure you trade in the direction of the trend for this Forex system, right? So when you have a clear structure and you have price bouncing off the support in a bullish trend, make sure that you wait for the price to bounce off the support, then you enter your buy. For a sell, make sure you wait for price to bounce off the resistance, then you enter your sell. It's as easy as that, right? Then you can also use other indicators. For example, let us use the RSI. Use other indicators to confirm the signals, right? For example, if the price is at a strong support, okay, if the price is at a strong support, for example, around here, right, you can see that price is at a support around here, and indicators like the RSI are showing that the market is not overbought, that it could be a great time to enter a long term space. In fact, more importantly, if the RSI is close to the oversold territory or within the oversold territory and pointing upwards, that is even a better signal. So we can see that price was around the support and the RSI was close to the oversold territory pointing upwards. That would have been a very good opportunity to enter a buy trade. So if we had entered a buy trade around here, we have set our stop loss just below the swing low, and the take profit could have been at the nearest resistance. Remember that in this example, this bullish structure is just forming. So at this point, we don't know yet if this trend is going to continue. So you could have just exited your buy trade around the nearest resistance, okay? And remember, you have a tight stop loss. Then once this bullish structure has now fully formed, the first low, the first high, the first lower higher low, and the first higher high, the next time the price gets to the support, you can then enter a buy, and aim for the highest point possible. You don't need to exit at the nearest resistance anymore. You have to just wait for, you can just ride the trend till the very end, okay? Now, it's important to observe good risk management. Risk management is essential for this system to work effectively. You need to protect your capital by using proper stop loss orders and never risking more than 1 to 2% of your account balance on any single trade. Even with a system like this, you are bound to face losses now and then. The key is managing your risks in a way that allows you to recover and still achieve your weekly goals. All right. Now, lastly, position sizing is another crucial part of the 500 pip system. You have to decide how many units to trade in order to achieve your 500 pip target for the week without over-leveraging yourself. Now, calculating your position size based on your account balance and risk tolerance is the best way to ensure you are not putting yourself in a dangerous situation. All right. Now let us talk about how to practically apply this system in your trading. Now here's the step-by-step process to use the 500 pips a week system. First of all, analyze the market trends. Start by analyzing the daily and 4-hour charts. Okay, so you look for your trend, just like what we did here. You look for a trend, whether it's bullish or bearish. This is where you determine the overall market direction. Remember, the higher the time frame, the more reliable the trend. Now, secondly, identify key levels, like what we did here. Set your support and resistance levels, key levels. Once you know the trend, mark out the key support and resistance levels on the chart, like what we did here, right? These levels represent areas where the price has previously reversed, and they can act as potential entry or exit points for your trades. Okay, now the third step is to look for entry signals. This is where technical indicators come into play. You want to look for specific signals that tell you when to enter the market. All right. For example, we can see that we use the RSI. We use the RSI in this video to identify good buy and sell opportunities. So it is important to add on any indicator of your choice. You may not necessarily need to use the RSI. Okay, there are other indicators that you can use, all right, to confirm your entries or your exits. Okay, so you can decide to use the RSI, you can decide to use stochastic oscillators, or perhaps the MACD, or even the moving averages. All right, there are a lot of indicators out there which you can use to confirm your trades. Okay, but the main thing is try as much as possible to use indicators for confirmation. All right, you want to look for specific signals that tell you when to enter the market. Now, some of the most commonly used indicators in the 500 pips a week system include the moving averages, the RSI, and the MACD. Okay, these indicators should be used together to give you the highest probability of success. For instance, if the price is, let's say, above the 50 period moving average and the RSI is below 70, not overbought, then you're likely looking at a buying opportunity in a trend. Okay, so you can decide to even use more than one indicators, just to look for a confluence and all of that, to add a layer of confidence to the signals. Okay, and then lastly, once you are in a trade, it's all about managing it correctly. Set your stop loss orders to protect yourself from unexpected market reversals. Then adjust your take profit levels based on your pip target for the week. With proper management, your trades will have a higher chance of reaching your 500 pip target. Now that we've covered the system itself, let's talk about the best market conditions and currency pairs to use this strategy. All right. Now, when it comes to pairs, you want to focus on major currency pairs. All right, like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and AUD USD. And you can also consider a more volatile pair like the gold pair, the XAU USD. All right, if you're comfortable with it anyway. Now, these pairs are typically, more liquid and tend to follow trends more consistently. Avoid trading exotic or low volume pairs if you are just starting out, as they can be much more volatile. All right. Now, additionally, the 500 pips a week system works best when the market is trending. If you are seeing a lot of sideways or choppy movement, it may be harder to catch these large price movements. Make sure you're trading during high volume times, such as when the London and New York sessions overlap, to maximize the chances of success. So there you have it. The 500 pips a week Forex system works, and how the 500 pips a week Forex system works, and how you can use it to take your trading to the next level. By following the principles of trend analysis, high probability setups, and strong risk management, you can begin working towards your goal of capturing 500 pips every week. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect instant results, but stick with the strategy, refine your approach, and keep learning. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel for more valuable content on Forex trading strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading.